Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So what can you do when you're confronted with a low-balling cleaning business? You know, you go in to bid on, let's say 3 times a week office cleaning, and the person that you present your proposal to, they tell you, well, you know, that sounds great, Dan, but I got another company that offered to do that for quite a bit less. You know, what do you do? Well, the first thing is to remember that a lowballing company is trying to grab that business by getting the attention of the customer or the prospect with the shiny object of low price, right? They're trying to offer that customer the exact price, really this attractively low price. That's how they're going to get the business, they think. And maybe they will, but what can you do about it? Well, here's one thing you can do. Here's one topic that you can bring up that can really turn the tables on them. Time. If you, in a very calm and reasonable way, talk to the prospect and say, when they say, listen, I got a person that's going to do it for a lot less, they say, well, I wouldn't want to put down any other cleaning company. If they're a very credible cleaning company with experience and you've been able to check them out and they have a good track record and they can do all the kinds of cleaning, not only office cleaning, but, you know, carpet, tile, windows, everything we've been offering to do. If they're able to really do it for a lot less, well, maybe that's something good. But I often question that, Steve, let's say, and I'd say because often we run into situations where the price that cleaning businesses offer doesn't really cover the kind of plan, the kind of hours of cleaning that you're going to need. For example, here, Steve, you're going to need 2 people to work Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from, let's say, 5:30 to 8:30 or 6 to 9, 3 hours a night, 2 people. I know that because we do a lot of this kind of cleaning, and I workloaded to figure out exactly how long it'll take. Now, that could vary 15 minutes if you have a pizza party, and we might get through 10 minutes faster or 15 minutes faster on another night. But in general, it takes 6 hours a night. We're planning on 2 people, 3 hours, so we have a good team. And I'll tell you another thing. We're going to make sure that our team is always working 6 to 9 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The only thing I guess I'd say is it makes you wonder if you even ask the other cleaning business, how many hours do they have scheduled and planned to give you each night? It might be interesting to see, number one, first of all, if they know. Secondly, how many hours that is. Our plan to get you and keep you looking good is 2 people, Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 6 to 9 p.m. That's the plan to really give you reliable cleaning, not just what appears to be maybe the best price, but we do know that our price reflects covering that labor, that hours, and our overhead and our profit in a reasonable way to make it a good plan for everybody. That kind of conversation about time can really turn the tables on a lowballing company just trying to get the job based on low price. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.